Ready to get wet? This is the Wild Raft in Familienland.
It's already soaking. Alright, well we didn't come on this thing to stay dry, did we?
No. I was hoping. I don't like hot water.
Protection.
Always use protection kits.
If I'm here, then we'll turn it down. Right? I don't. Oh no.
No, I would end up in the water. Sit there. Get thrown in the water.
No, it's okay. So you got this.
Three, two, one.
Hold on tight, kids!
Go.
Yoo-hoo!
Well, I didn't like that. I didn't like that. I didn't like that. No. I didn't like that. My socks are wet. No, why is it always me? What's it? That's all right.
Again.
No,
You get wet on this
Look
thing.
at my shoes.
we learn a very important lesson. Water is wet.
YouTube is recommending that you watch this video next, or click the other button to subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.